Today I will create a program that will display the ASCII numbers. I'm going to convert the ASCII numbers from A to Z. Here you go. Let's start with our project. First of all, I'm going to create my class. As you can see, I've created a file and named it an ASCII.java. Then I'm going to start my class here. Starting a main class here. We start a main class here. Okay, our class name is gonna be public class. The class name is ASCII. Then open our class, close our class. Inside our main class, we're gonna open a main method, which is public, sorry, in small letters, public static void main string. Okay, string, sorry, it's a public static main string. Public static string, just like this. Open our main method and close it. So we have to close our main method here. Close our main method here. As you can see, alright. Then inside our main method, we have to open a for loop. We'll be using a for loop to print those ASCII values. For char, let's choose any letter, but let's use C. Okay, it's equals to C. It's equals to A, cap A, because I want to print them in cap letters. And then let's say C is less than equals to Z. Alright, and then C is gonna increment our C by 1 every time after printing the first ASCII value. Alright, then here we have to open our for loops and close it. Inside our for loops, we will print 16 out dot print line. Then we'll print our first ASCII. And then ASCII value, the ASCII value, sorry, the ASCII, I want to use a small letters, value of, then close bracket, let me just give me space here, and plus a value of C plus, it's equals to plus int. You convert the character to int C, close it, then here you go. And then let's run it, compile it and run and see. Save first, then compile it and run it and see what we got. Java we compile like Java, see our class name, which is ASCII dot Java, and see. Okay, we have got a little, just 2 errors in line number 7 here, and then we have to fix this line number 7, which is here. We made a mistake here, and now it's okay. Go back, compile again, and run it. Okay, now it seems like we are getting it right. Then okay, here is our ASCII value. The ASCII value of A is 65, the ASCII value of B is 66, the ASCII value of C is 67, ASCII value of D 68, until ASCII value of number Z is equals to 90. Then let's now print our ASCII values from Z to A. As you can see, now it's from A to Z. Then now let's change it from to be A to be Z to A. Okay, then here we have to adjust our code as character. It's gonna be initialize it at as Z, and then here we're gonna see our character is gonna be greater than. It's gonna be greater than or equals to what? It's gonna be greater than or equals to A. And we also have to, first we were incrementing, then now we have to decrement our, then let's compile it and run it and see what you get now. Okay, still correct. Okay, then this is how we print the value, ASCII value from Z to A. Z is 90, as you can see. Last it was from sorry, last time it was from Z, it was A to Z, and now it's A to, it's Z to A. Then let's see if we can, let's see what we get if we initialize our value f small a as small letters and here as Z small letter, and decrement here, and see if we will get the same result. Okay, then let's compile it and run it again and see what we get. Okay, there you go. Alright, and then it seems like we are not getting any value because I don't know what's the flop with this code, because I can't get the correct ASCII values if it's a small letters. So yeah, I hope you understand how you print your ASCII values using for loops in Java. Okay, you just have to open a new file. You can name it as you want. You can name it as your name, surname, or whatever that you want to name it, and make sure that your file, the name that you store your file, it have to be the same as your class name. And then when you compile, you just save it here, compile as Java in small letters, Java C dot, your class name it's ASCII, no dot, sorry, Java C class name it's ASCII dot Java dot Java. Okay, then the second one, you have to compile again, then just when I say Java, and then the class name which is ASCII, then that's it, ASCII. Yeah, that's it. Sorry, child 16.out, and okay, we don't have a problem now. And then I don't know what's the matter with this code, but let's try to compile it again. Okay, we don't have an error. C is equals to A, and C it's okay. Here's the problem here, it's less than or equals to Z. Then save it, compile it as Java C ASCII dot Java. Then we compile it as Java, your class name, and then your ASCII value from A to Z. And if you want to start from Z to A, you'll change here Z here is set here, and A here, and you will have to change it from is greater than or equals to, then decrement here, decrement, and then save it, compile, and run it. And run it. So here's your output from Z to A. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Meet again for tomorrow's lesson by during this time, which is 7 o'clock.